Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the application for your speaker EDIFIER MS50A. You have to start by open Play Store and then go to the search at the bottom. Now click at the search line at the top and you need to write EDIFIER Home. Now search, and you should install this application, what called EDIFIER Home. Now open it, click Agree and Use, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!